Hello, welcome to the stream. We're building the PC.
What we're doing on step one now is we've got to update the BIOS for... Unfortunately, Ninderal's got a older CPU, the... Let's see if I can get
2700 AMD.
The 2600.
You can see on there if it's on light screen.
Yeah. The 2600 rather than the 5900X, which would have been much nicer and a lot easier, because now it means that we're going to have to unbuild the whole thing, but you know. Right, so this is a really horrible cable to get in because it feels like you're breaking the board.
Yeah, someone said it feels like you're crunching it.
The worst thing is, actually, taking it out. That's worse.
Why, does it crunch more?
No, you have to wiggle it out and it feels like you're going to pull out the entire thing. So I'll let you do that.
Fucking hell, okay.
Can I turn this on here? Here we go, let's see if it blows up. Oh, here we go.
Oh god, that's so scary.
Here we go.
Oh,
there we go.
It's moving.
We've got live. The next step is going to be CPU installation.
Yeah, that's what I saw on the, and it's like
you're doing that by the way, that because otherwise it's not it's not your PC if you don't put the CPU in.
Okay, I need some coffee.
I wouldn't be that concerned. This is only the 2600. So.
True. We've got the CPU right here. Mwah, the magic thing that I need to put in. The
magic sauce. Are you ready for step one?
Oh god, I'm so scared. Oh fuck.
You want to try and undo the latch so you can try and do it. So you twist it to the side just a tiny bit and then lift up. You'll feel it come unlatched. Got it? There you go. You don't need to do that slowly, but there you go.
Okay, so I'm just so... It feels like surgical, okay. You know?
There you go. It's lifted free from its hatches.
It's heavier than I thought.
Cool, and then just drop it in nice and easy. You'll feel it, all the pins just drop in. Oh shit. No, just give it a little bit.
My hand is shaking.
There you go. That looks like it's good.
Okay,
give it a little
wiggle, yeah.
A little wiggle. Perfect.
Is it okay?
I can feel it crunching. Now go on, keep going.
Scaring the shit out of me, dude.
Got it? Fantastic.
Oh my god. We did it. Okay.
Now it's your PC. So next step, CPU cooler. So this should be fun.
Yeah, I'm kind of just like the moral support or like the talker person.
Don't worry, I'll let you do some screwing and stuff. I mean, we haven't started screwing yet, but...
You are IRL cleric just chilling in the back. Yeah, I'm just here like, healing. I go too slowly.
Lefty loosey goosey, that is very true.
That's like, I live my life by that phrase. Everything I do is lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I don't even know if chat can even see it.
Yeah, can you guys see that?
Like where we're actually mounting on here.
What we could do is, guys, we could do an exciting thing.
My body is ready.
Boom, look at that. Look at that. Look how cool that looks.
Oh, did you... Ah, nice.
There you go.
Super Nintendo.
Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this.
Ah.
Oh, shit.
This is where it just squirts all over you.
Does it? Oh, God, I'm going to get thermal paste in my eyes.
Do you know how much you need to put on?
No.
No?
Kind of.
There's two methods. There's the grain of rice method, where you just do it and it looks like a grain of rice a little bit down.
Oh,
or you can do the green pea method, which is like a little bit more in the centre. I should probably... Hang on, give it... Let me...
Oh! That was sudden.
Too far, go on.
Sorry, can you just...
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we got it,
And then go up with that. Ooh, it's quite a lot of that.
There's too much thermal paste.
Fuck. Nindra went for the grain of rice method, so I don't know how...
You can see that it's like a glob. It's like a globular.
Yeah.
I thought Nin didn't have IRL friends. Why are people coming at me in the chat?
Right, so basically, you see, I've got it like this. So it's, when you stand here, I'm going to put it on like that.
Yeah. Okay, so literally like that.
Literally like this, because it's because of the logo there. Otherwise, you'll have upside down logo.
Is that looking...
Perfecto.
Yeah.
On top of the threads.
Is that it? Yeah.
There's one, I see two.
Is one not on?
No, I see them both now. You let go. Cool.
Is that fine?
Yep.
Oh, this is so horrible.
I just wanted to make sure it's screwed on before I passed it over.
Oh man, we're getting so much good advice from the chat, Ali. Screw goes straight through the CPU. Thanks, J-Roll. Don't add the fans and cock a egg there.
Cock.
I think you meant cook. I think you meant cook, Deepo. I hope.
Don't
cock an egg.
He wants to cock an egg.
Don't do
Does that mean he's like cocking it back ready to throw? Or?
I don't know. Cock it back. You could fry eggs on the CPU cooler. Listen, I might just go ahead and use a frying pan on a stove, you know?
That would be the right idea. So, what you're going to want to do is, you see how these line up here? So you're just going to put them like that directly in.
Is that it?
It's that one on this side. There you go, that's better.
Oh,
Done.
okay.
Right. You say, you got to do it again.
Oh, okay.
Round 2. 1.
That felt right.
Other side.
That
2.
felt right. Okay.
Done.
Good?
Woo!
Cool. God, I'm sweating. Feels like Mission Impossible.
Okay, preparing the case. Alright. Get the case.
Get the case. Get the pillowcase. Look how small that is. Baby SSD.
Baby SSD.
Baby.
He's got an M.2 drive. So, right, to install this M.2 drive, we have to do this. You lied to me.
I have to admit that I love you. You lied to me.
You're going to have to angle it
Oh yeah.
because the CPU core's in the way.
I kind of want to
Go on, this
prove myself.
Go on then. You've already proved
Because
yourself.
chat are memeing me about how I'm not doing anything. I'm
You've
like,
done the CPU already. That's the hardest part. How hard could it be to do one screw, he says.
I know.
Streamers proper loving me, aren't they?
They are. Fuck, you're the celebrity of this stream. Oh god, it's high school again.
So, SSD is installed. My hand's still looking like grayscale. Right, okay. Case time.
Case time. Okay.
Cool.
Cool. Look at this, guys. You can fit so many memes in this thing. Is it almost over? I don't think
Is it
so.
almost over?
I
I wish.
think so.
I wish. Because I know from prior experience that it's not going to fit there.
Boys at work, are you a partner in RL? Are you partner in our... I'm not sure I understand the question. I'm not a partner, I'm an affiliate. I'm asking if we're partners in real life. No, we're just good friends, Sebastian. I don't know if I'm misunderstanding the question. But that's not... The hard drives aren't like a big thing, right?
Oh, no.
Because that's way after... We haven't even done that yet
No,
at this
no.
point, so...
So, we are now installing the motherboard. Here's a very scary part.
It's the RTX 3080, which...
we're gonna wait until the very end to put in, because that's the big piece, right?
Check it out.
6,
Check it out. In fact,
7, 8.
can you guys even see that?
Right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? So basically what we're doing is, you see here, where this is lining up with here. So we want to put it on top of these standoffs here, so you'll see that it'll line up, because there's this little nub in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
But this is the scary part, because obviously I got to hold it from here.
Wish us luck, chat.
Here we go. Dangerous part. Cool. Tilt it over that side.
Tilt it over which one?
Go on, let go a sec. Should be alright. Done.
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, that lines up perfectly.
Did I actually get a wow? I actually had it right first time.
Wowzers.
Woo!
Easy clap.
Being uncooperative.
Work with us, damn it. Please. God, please work.
Please go in. Oh, got it.
It's making like Tarzan drum
It's
sounds.
done it. We have just mounted the, what's it called? The motherboard with all the components on already, so that's what we've done so far. But I am having problems mounting it up at the moment. Perfect.
Yeah?
Da, 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 da.
Easy clap. Yeah, VSync enabled, boy. We got that high fidelity Among Us plays. I was in high school when SATA came out.
Wow.
Damn.
All the new kids don't even know what IDE drives are, bro.
All new kids just care about is TikTok and Fortnite.
Shut up.
Dude, I feel like Linus Tech Tips with his POV video.
LED.
Check that out.
So, you see this cable that I'm holding in my hand?
Yeah.
We need to try and turn it around and plug it into the 3 pins that are there.
Oh.
But, as well as that, you'll see here, it is keyed, so we have to put it in top way.
Ah, the 2 ridges gone top. Got you. That's good.
They'll
'cause
line
that's
up.
the way, isn't it? Can you bring the light back,
No.
please? Thank you. It's close. It's so close.
If you need to push it down, so use this.
I'm sweating.
I was
Probably
close.
should
I
try
just
to plug it
can't.
in prior.
I can't apply enough pressure on it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it.
You did it!
Yeah, look at this. I did it.
Fucking easy!
How the fuck did I do that?
Holy
I actually plugged it in. Oh, look.
What the fuck? How?
I don't know.
Do you think it was just a pure power of
That
not
was
giving a
just pure.
fuck anymore? Like, just,
No, that was
that's
pure.
it, just go in.
I got this.
Well done, Ali. Fucking hell.
So, this is being mounted. Which one? Which slot do you want? Left or right? Chat, left or right? Which one?
Chat, left or right?
Which one? Left or right? Tick tock, tick tock.
Oh, Potatoes is saying right.
Right. That makes
Oh.
it harder. Come on, potatoes. Come on. Right. So basically, look. Here you go. Ooh.
It came off. Ah.
This is what Amy must feel like when I open a jar for her. Just like I feel so astounded at your ability to spin an object.
At least we're sponsored by Adidas and not what's it called Raid Shadow.
Raid Shadow Legends. Ah, I see what you're doing. This reminds me of building
this one here.
flat pack furniture.
When have you built flat pack furniture?
My seat, my desk.
Oh, your seat. Ah, right.
Why are you giggling in the kitchen? I didn't claim to do anything else. Mum, I'm already getting bullied enough by Chad. Don't bully me too.
Power cable time.
Power cable time. Well, thankfully, I already thought a step ahead, and I've been plugging them in as we go. Should be quite close to doing the actual graphics card.
If you were to give it a percentage, what would you put on it?
75? 80?
Hey, did you hear that, chat?
80 to 75%.
Almost there. Hey guys, this is Ninderil coming with my new YouTube channel. We're gonna unbox this GeForce RTX 3080.
Stop. I'm going to show off to chat what he looks like.
Mm-hmm.
He's a big boy, look at him.
Look at that, chat.
I like you holding him upside down. Flip it. Zen.
Look at that, lads. That's
Ooh.
where the money goes.
Big 3080.
Big 3080.
Oh my lord.
Is that even gonna fit?
It's not. Because of the cables we got in the way. No! It's too big, Chungo.
He's too large and in charge.
Look how big he is. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
it's that cable, that big fat one is in the way.
Now I have. He's in. Right, okay, you can let go now.
Fucking fabulous. Whoa.
Whoever decided to make 6+2 cables, you're actually Satan. You're actually Satan.
Someone in the chat thinks that you're me because of the amount of work you've been doing on this.
I'm the real Ninderl now. Well, you're the same owner as me.
You're just gonna switch it on?
Yep.
Alright, chat.
Here we go. Oh, ooh, turned on. Oh, graphics card. Graphics card's on.
It's not gonna explode, it's coming on! Please. Please. Please, God.
We've got power, but there is no output. That's not good.
Oh.
Oh, fuck off! There we go, got it. Cool. Fantastic.
Oh my god!
So, now we got Windows to go. So, how long have we been streaming for, does it say?
We've been streaming for about 4.5 hours, I think.
Really, is that, it's been that long?
Yeah, 4.5 hours roughly.
Thank you all for coming. It's been a long one today, but as you can see, it is complete. Ali, come down here as well. You also hold on. I'm not actually in the shot. I'm just gonna move the camera. Thank you all for joining us on this amazing stream. As you can see, my baby that Ali made. Because I barely did anything.
Come on, you put the CPU in. That's enough, I would say.
Is complete. Thank you all for coming.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Hi,
all. Love
everyone.
you all. Hopefully see you soon with the next stream. GG everyone.
Can't believe
Okay.
we actually did it.
I can't believe we actually did it. That shit
I
was
thought it was going to blow up, to be honest.
I thought it was gonna blow up too.